we're ready for service, we have to set up our drink station, which will be on the side. It'll be fairly close to our table where our guests are going to be dining, so they can actually see what's going on. We're still close to the table, so we can see what's happening with the guests dining, but we can work quite discreetly just to the side of them. So I've got 2 different decanters here, just to show you that there are different types of decanters. This one is quite popular on a boat. This one also would be, just because they're heavier at the base, so they are more stable to use on a vessel. I'm going to use this one for our demonstration, so I'm just going to remove this one. Okay, so here we're just going to show you our white wine. So our white wine is going to be in the ice bucket, but we do want to just put a little necktie on it. So this necktie, it's just a napkin, a white napkin that I've folded over, and then we're going to fold it around and create a little necktie for our white wine. We're going to make sure that the label is showing, and this little piece here is really handy to hold when you are pouring your wine, so you can hold it like that, and when you're presenting your wine for your guests. We have also got on the side here some red wine, and we have everything needed to open and decant the red wine. So we have a wine opener and waiter's friend. We also have a foil cutter, which is really handy to cut the top of the foil. You can use the knife that is here, but I do find personally that it makes it quite jagged at the top. My preference is to use a foil cutter, but if you don't have one, there is always this option. You can just use the knife and cut with that. And then we're going to decant the red wine, and I'm going to show you how to pour. And we are also going to be looking at champagne. So here actually we have a bottle of Prosecco, not champagne, but it's the same concept of how we're going to open it, and then also how we are going to just have a special little stopper to keep the champagne as fresh as possible.